Hi guys, as an officer or an engineer, this video is very important for me. I know that we do not know our rights, we do not want to know our rights, but it is very important, not just for us, but for our family as well. And that is why this video is being made. So when I talk about the role of MUI, so MUI, the collective bargaining agreement between MUI and the shipping companies is signed, has got something that you have to understand. Say, first of all, let's talk about disability. So a seafarer who suffers permanent disabilities as a result of an accident while in the employment of the company regardless of fault, including accidents occurring while traveling to or from the ship, and whose ability to work as a seafarer is reduced as a result thereof, but excluding permanent disability due to willful acts. किसी ने अपना हाथ खुद ही काट लिया या खुद कोशिश करी मरने की, बच गया लेकिन चोट चाट लग गई, उसको छोड़ के ड्यू टू एनी रीजन, चाहे उसकी गलती भी थी, बट नाउ when while traveling to the ship or coming from the ship when the contract is there, in any case if something happens वो disability clause लगेगा. I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box, where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. And that is where I want to tell you, a lot of shipping companies earlier they used to allow कि यार चलो you're signing off from US. If you want to stay in US for the next 10 days and you want to come back, we'll arrange. But now companies learned अगर उन 10 days के अंदर कुछ हो गया, then the company is liable to pay through the insurance because at that time the contract was valid. So company say भैया our contract is from your hometown to hometown, come back here and then you go wherever you want to go. क्योंकि बीच में कुछ हो गया, I am gone. This is important. Disability suffered by a seafarer shall be determined by a doctor appointed by the company. If a doctor appointed by or on behalf of the seafarer disagrees with the assessment, a third doctor may be nominated with the jointly between company and Maritime Union of India. So पहले disability, क्योंकि disability percentage is very important. If it is 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, the percentage changes, the compensation changes. So now company's doctor can take the side and it is 20%. You do not agree, you bring your doctor, he says 30%. So at the end of the day, MUI will form another in collaboration company and you a third doctor. If he says 30%, then 30%, 20%, 25%, 25%, 25%. Copied? The company shall provide disability compensation to the seafarers in accordance with Annexure 3. I will share that with you. With any differences including less than 10% disability to be pro rata based on scale prescribed in Indian Workmen's Compensation Act. This I will share it with you कि भैया अगर disability 10% से कम है से 5% है तो pro rata से 10% की disability you getting $10,000, 5% you get $5,000 as a compensation. A seafarer's disability is assessed at 50% or more shall for the purpose of this paragraph regarded as permanently unfit. अब यार आपने बोला कि this person is 50% unfit, 50% disabled. Now he cannot join back on ship. And you are paying him disability only for 50%, not for 100%. तो उसका क्या होगा? So they say if it is more than 50%, you are entitled for 100% compensation because it is termed as permanently unfit. You cannot join back. Done हो गया? Any seafarer assessed at less than 50% disability but certified as एक और चीज, suppose you are certified as 40% unfit, but you cannot join back on ship, then you are certified as permanently unfit and you will get 100% compensation. Copied? किसी का इतना हाथ कट गया, इतना हाथ कट गया, say they say this is 30% disability, but by his permanently unfit he cannot join back ship, तो 100% compensation मिलता है इस केस के अंदर. Any payment affected above shall be without prejudice to any claim for compensation made in law, but shall be deducted from any settlement in respect of such claims. ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं, इसको हटा दिए ऑडियो से. ओके. द कंपनी इन डिस्चार्जिंग इट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज प्रोवाइड फॉर सेफ एंड डिसेंट वर्किंग कंडीशंस should have effective arrangement for the payment of compensation for personal injury. When a valid claim arises, payment should be made promptly and in full, and there should be no pressure by the company or the representatives or the insurers for a payment less than the contractual amount due under this agreement. So यहाँ पर यार simple है कि that is why they have got this P&I club insurance done. In case this is where MUI comes into play, these unions comes into play. Suppose you feel that the company is harassing you or the insurance company is harassing you, these are the unions where you should go. Copied? Loss of life, death in service. अब मर गए हैं आप, suppose कीजिए, यहाँ पर भी समझिए. Anything can happen anytime. Don't feel bad, but knowledge is very important. Even your family needs to know that. If a seafarer dies through any cause while in the employment of the company, including death from a natural cause and death occurring while traveling to or from the vessel, भैया आप प्लेन में जा रहे हो, प्लेन क्रैश हो गया तो वो भी इंक्लूड हो जाएगा, दैट इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड once the contract is signed. You're coming back, plane crashes, that is also included. Okay, or as a result of a marine or other similar peril, ship डूब गया, you die, done. But excluding death due to willful acts, somebody tries to commit suicide, will not be entertained. So in that case आपको भैया पूरा पैसा मिलेगा जो भी compensation में कहा गया, which will be discussed in the next slide. Any payment affected and shall be without prejudice to any claim for compensation made in law, but shall be offset against any such payments. ये छोड़ दो, 26.2 important नहीं है, done हो गया. This point is important, understood? This point is important. If a seafarer goes missing at sea while in the employment of the company, including missing by accident or as a result of marine or other similar peril, but excluding missing due to an act of suicide, मतलब यहाँ पर अगर कल को कंपनी बोल दे कि जी आपके बच्चे ने तो खुद से सुसाइड कमिट किया था, खुद कूद के गिराया है, so they are not liable to pay you anything. Or a disappearance in port, the company shall pay the same amounts. So but excluding missing due to an act of suicide or disappearance in port, the company shall pay the same amount as specified for loss of life. So यहाँ पर say a young deck cadet dies and if the company says he committed suicide and there is a proof that he has committed suicide, then in that case company is not liable to pay you anything. Guys, ये चीज़ आपको clear रखनी है. And when I am talking about suicide यार, why should you do that यार? Quit, जहाज से उतर के आ जाओ यार, but don't do that. This is also one thing that I would want to add. So disability में what happens is 10% disability for junior officers you get $15,000, senior officers you get $19,000. 20% disability $31,000, $38,000. 50% disability you get $77,000, $96,000. Say 100%. So above 50% it is termed as 100% disability, right? Even if 30% disability but you are unfit to go back on ship, you'll get the same amount. So $1,93,000 as of today, senior officers, junior officer $1,55,000. तो टुडे अगर डॉलर का रेट 90 रुपीज़ आज की डेट में नवंबर 2025, मैं मानूँ उससे $2 लाख भी हैं तो $2 लाख इंटू 90 करेंगे तो 1.8 CR होता है, 2 करोड़ रुपए. एक कप्तान 2 करोड़ रुपए कमाने के लिए उसे सिर्फ 4 साल चाहिए, 3 साल चाहिए, दैट्स इट मैक्सिमम, नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो इज इट सफिशिएंट? आई डू नॉट नो. सो यू नीड सम बैकअप्स इन लाइफ एंड दैट इज वेयर this term insurance, medical insurance comes into play. Loss of life, death in service, in that case the nominated beneficiary gets $1,16,299. इससे भी कम. Now why they are giving you more over here? कि भैया you are disabled, you cannot join, आपके भी खर्चे हैं, you have to live your life, that is why more. This is what I am guessing. But out here if you die you are getting this much only. And apart from that, if you have children and they are less than 18 years old and maximum 4 children, each children gets $23,262 each. So आपके 2 बच्चे हैं, $50,000 वहाँ मिले और 1,16,000 यहाँ मिले, कुल मिला के इसके आसपास पहुँच गया. That's it. So guys, this is something that I want you to know about MUI. आपको पता होना चाहिए अपने राइट्स क्या हैं, लीगल क्या है, and you also need to be afraid कि इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. And that is where term insurance, medical insurance is very important. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.